Alright guys, so today we're going to check out the Spigen Rugged Armor Case for the AirPods 4, and I have the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation and also the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So you will see how this case fits on both versions of the AirPods 4. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so this comes in a really nice package as usual from Spigen, and this is the Rugged Armor right here. As you can see, nice picture on the front, and yeah, pretty much it comes in matte black. I don't believe there's any other color, but if there is, I'll put it up on the screen and open it like that. You get the bottom part of the case right there, and then you get the top part of the case right there. Nice. And then we get the carabiner right there, and that's pretty much it for inside the box. So let's take a closer look. So you get the carabiner, and you also get an extra adhesive tape, which is really nice because what if you want to take it off and put it back on? That's really considerate of Spigen. And then we have the bottom of the case right here. Looks really nice, looks really rugged. There's like a carbon fiber finish right here on the bottom, and the rest of it is just a matte black silicone. It's kind of like a medium silicone, so it's not like too soft or too tough of a silicone. Really good. And then we have the top part of the case, which has a similar design, the carbon fiber finish on the top right there. Really nice, some rugged finish on the top. And you have the adhesive that it comes with right there. And that's pretty much it for what comes inside the box. So with that said, let's go ahead and install this real quick. First, we're going to start off with the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So pretty much you just slide it in like this. Boom, nice and easy. And then you put the top on. I'm not going to use the adhesive tape as yet because I'm going to put it on the next version of the AirPods 4 real soon. So put it on nice and easy. Fits really good. Really nice. Like, look at that. Wow, that looks really good. Really nice. And then for the carabiner, you just literally just put it on like that. Nice and easy. And you're pretty much all set up and ready to go. Like, look at that. That looks really good. Yeah, and the cutouts are perfect on the bottom. As you can see, you have a cutout for the speaker and the speaker vent hole, and also the USB type C port. On the back, it has a cutout for the hinge for you to open it and close it. Real nice. And then on the front, you also have a cutout for the LED indicator. When you open it, it opens nice and easy, close nice and easy. It's really nice. Like, look at that. There's no gaps or anything. It fits perfect. So what I want to test also, so as you know, there's a hidden button underneath the case right here. So I wonder if I double tap, so I should open it. And when I double tap, it should go in pure mode. So let's see if it's going to work while it's in the case. So double tap. Wow. It actually works while it is in the case. I was expecting that you had to take off the case for it to work. So that's really good. Wow. I don't know if I should give credit to Spigen or Apple for designing it that good, but either way, it works while it's in the case. You don't have to take it out of the case for it to pair to a next device, which is really convenient. So with that said, let's show you how it looks on the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. Let me take this off real quick. I always get questions in the comment section on how to take off a case, and it's pretty easy, but this one is going to be super easy because I don't have the adhesive as yet. But usually you just put a little bit of pressure, not so much pressure to break your case, just a little bit of pressure, and the bottom part is always the part that gets people. So to take it off, you just need to do a little bit of pressure. I know it's gonna feel like you're gonna break your case, but just take your time and it should come out nice and easy. So this was the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, and now let's move on to the AirPods without active noise cancellation. So let's put it in the case like that. Boom, nice and easy, and boom, just like that. fits perfectly. And this is gonna bother me so much because now we have like empty spots showing. So because this one doesn't have the speaker and the speaker vent hole, it's just blank right there, and it's kind of annoying. So I'm wondering if case company is going to take the extra time to make a case for the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation and the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation, or they're just going to make one case that fits all, like how Spigen is doing it right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, let's see if we can pair it without taking it out of the case. So let's double tap. Wow, works like a charm, nice and easy. And as you can see, fits perfectly just like how it fits the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So let's move on to testing this case. You can go ahead and plug it in with your USB Type-C, and right away it is charging. As you can see, you have a lot of clearance for your USB cable. You don't have to worry about it bumping inside the case or anything like that. So you're good on that side, which is really nice. And you can always unplug it nice and easy, just like that. This one doesn't have wireless charging, so I'm going to go to the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation to do the wireless charging test. So let's get right into it. All right, so right here we have the 3-in-1 wireless charger from ESR, which I got maybe a year now, and I've been using it every day ever since. So it's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and power it up, plug it in like that, and then I'm gonna get my AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation and do some charging tests. So let's get right into it. All right, so here we have the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So this has the wireless charging, speakers and everything, all the nice stuff. This is the higher end version, so I'm gonna do some charging tests real quick. And the charger, you have MagSafe charging, you have wireless charging right there, and you also have Apple Watch charging right there. So first I'm gonna try the wireless charging. So regular wireless charging, go ahead, put it on. Right away it is charging. I'm not sure if you guys heard that chime, but it did chime, and as you can see, the charging light is on and it's currently charging. Nice and easy. Take it off. Let me put it back on so you guys can see. Boom, right away it is charging, nice and easy. So now let's try it on the Apple Watch charger and see if it charges. You can't charge it on the Apple Watch charger while the case is on. Yeah, it doesn't snap or anything, so that's kind of unfortunate. So let's try the MagSafe charger. It charged on the MagSafe charger, but it doesn't hold. Like you can see, you can charge it, but it's not strong enough to hold. Like, yeah. And I don't think when you have it in the without case, you can also hold it. I don't think the magnet aligns for it to hold without the case. So you see, it doesn't hold without the case either. So, and let's just try the Apple Watch charger again without the case. So without the case, it charged on the Apple Watch charger nice and easy. So I guess this case is just a little bit too bulky for it to snap in place for the Apple Watch charger to work. But MagSafe is not MagSafe compatible like how the AirPods Pro 2 is MagSafe compatible to charge. So it will charge if you hold it in place, but it won't charge and stay there by itself. But for wireless charger, it works pretty fine, nice and easy. So that's pretty much it. And as you guys can hear, whenever I plug it in, you can hear the speaker is very good. But I'm gonna do a Find My test so you guys can hear the speaker and see if the speakers is loud and clear while it's in the case. So let's get right into that. Alright guys, so currently we're in Find My, and is it just me, but this used to be like a green, but now it's blue, I guess, which I don't have any problem, but I think it's probably an iOS 18 update. But here we're gonna play the sound real quick. And as you can see, you can hear it loud and clear. And you can also see the LED indicator light up while you're playing the Find My sound. So yeah. By the way, guys, the Carabiner is really nice. Like, it's very snappy, feels very premium. You don't have any issues with this carabiner, but you can always put something else, or you can always do it without a carabiner if you want. I really like that they gave us that option to put it on if we want or not. But it's a really nice carabiner. I'll be probably using it to put it on my pants loop or something, my belt loop. but or even on my backpack or something. It's really nice. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna do a drop test real quick. So I'm gonna drop it on soft carpet. This is carpet right here. So let's drop in 3, 2, 1, drop. So as you can see guys, the drop test went pretty good. The case was still closed when it dropped. Nothing fell out or anything like that. So really good drop test right there. No worries if you drop this on a soft carpet. So let's move on to the hard tile and see what the result will be. I'm kind of nervous about this. Hopefully my earpods don't go flying. Alright guys, so as you guys can see right there, that's hard tile right there, and I'm gonna do a drop test real quick in 3, 2, 1, drop. Alright guys, so the only reason why that top part just fell off is because I don't have the adhesive stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the adhesive real quick and redo that drop test. Right, so let me just put on the adhesive real quick. So let's peel off that film real quick, like that, nice and easy. And then let's put it on like this, nice and easy. Press and hold for around 30 seconds or so. And once you're done pressing and holding for 30 seconds, it should be on nice and tack. So now I'm gonna do that drop test. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna do the drop test on hard tile, and I'm gonna drop it in 3, 2, 1, drop. Wow. Wow, that's actually good guys. Like, I just did the drop test and it's still there. Nothing came out of the case. The case didn't even open or anything like that. So I definitely have to say, good job right there, Spigen. Like, good job. I was expecting for the earpods to go flying all over the place, but Spigen surprised me. It's really nice. Really good case, guys. I would definitely get one if you want that rugged protection, because it definitely lived up to its name, the rugged case right here. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty good. Dropped it on soft carpet, now I drop it on hard surface. So wherever you drop it, you should be fine. You don't have to worry about your earpods for going flying or even damaging when you drop it. So really nice protection from Spigen right here. Alright guys, so here are my final thoughts on the Spigen Rugged Armor Case. So the only deal breaker to this case is that you can't charge it with the Apple Watch charger while it's in this case right here. So if that's a deal breaker for you, I wouldn't go with this case right here. But if you want this case, definitely check it out. A link will be down below in the description, so go ahead and check it out. But either way, this case is a really good case when it comes down to protection, and it fits really good. You don't have to worry about anything in terms of how it fits. It fits perfectly, it fits like a glove, and you have cutouts for your speaker and your speaker vent holes, so you don't have to worry about the speaker being blocked. You also have cutout for the USB-C port, and it has enough cutout for clearance for a USB cable to go in and out. You don't have to worry about your cable bumping on your case or anything like that. So that's pretty good. And it also fits both version of the AirPods 4. So the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation and the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So either one you have, you don't have to worry about it. And you can pair your device without having to take out your earpods out of this case right here. So you don't have to go thinking, oh, I want to connect it to a new device, I have to take it out of the case to do that. You can just literally open it like this and double tap there, and it will pair right away. You don't have to worry about it or anything like that. And also guys, I'll be doing more case videos on this channel, so go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And we are almost at 5,000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of September. That's been it for this video guys. Let me know if you have any questions about this case down below in the comment section. I'll be answering all your guys' questions on this case because I'll be using this case for the next couple of days. So feel free to ask me any questions about this case. Also like the video if this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.